Today's recipe on the Sunday Bake is a beautiful pastry cream. It's used for filling chocolate eclairs, profiteroles and so many other desserts. Into a mixing bowl you want to add 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolks, followed by half a cup of caster sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And just mix this now together till it goes nice and pale and smooth and creamy. Onto a medium heat I'm adding 2 cups of milk, 1 vanilla pod which I've split, and I'm also going to add the seeds. Once everything's in, we just want to bring this up to a gentle simmer so that all those flavors are well incorporated. Now it's had a couple of minutes, I'm just going to take it off the boil. It has come to a gentle simmer, and I'm going to remove the vanilla pods from the milk. And now I'm going to start to pour just a little bit into the egg mixture. We're going to do this in a couple of stages so we don't scramble the egg yolks. Starting with the first pour, this is called tempering. We don't want to scramble anything by adding too much liquid too soon. And with the final stages, adding the rest of the liquid into the mix. Place it back onto a medium heat. And we're going to whisk this now consistently. Do not walk away from this because it will catch and burn. You need to keep it moving. So keep on whisking. You will find that there is a little bit of tension on the whisk as it starts to get thicker. Then all of a sudden you've got this beautiful creamy glossy consistency. That's exactly what you want. Remove it from the heat and then pour it into a bowl. So it doesn't form a skin, I'm adding some plastic wrap or some cling film over the top. It goes into the fridge and it can be used the next day. Well, thanks again for watching the Sunday Bake. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next week with some more great recipes.